Hello, thank you so much for joining this free training. In this training, I'm going to show you how you can spy your competitors' ClickBank Facebook ads. So this is really good tool. I have been using this myself. So I actually tried to just copy paste the descriptions and the picture on from these winning ads, and they actually work, but I don't recommend you doing that. You can just watch the look at the ads, do something similar, use the similar type of picture and description, and you will have high converting Facebook ads for ClickBank products. So what you want to do is go to adspy.com and create a free account. Then you want to come to this page and find ClickBank. So you can search ads that are promoting ClickBank offers. Like here, all of these Facebook ads are promoting ClickBank products. Then you want to sort by likes. So if the post is doing well, obviously it has a lot of likes. Then you can also sort it by, like who's the ad is for targeted for, male or female, the ages, like whatever you want. If you're in health and wellness needs, then you probably would like to use female here, and ages between let's say 30 plus. And as you can see here, now it's searching for the ads, and here they are. And look at this. This is a winning ad. So created on January 21 and lasting February 2, so today. And as you can see, a lot of likes, a lot of comments, a lot of reshares, and you can actually see that what countries they are targeting. So Portugal, France, Canada, this age group, and female, and this ad. So it's promoting yoga product, so yoga plus resistance training winning combo. And here's even bit.ly link that you can use. Just copy it, paste it, and then put plus there, and you can see the data. Excuse me. Okay, so it seems that they have been using the same bit.ly link like from last year. But it's okay. A lot of people are not going to click this link. They are going to click in the ad. So they're going to click here and go to yoga/burn.net. But this ad is really a winning ad because they are still running this ad. Even they have run this offer from 2019 to 2020. But they have just changed their ad picture and ad copy. So this product is actually working now, and as you can see, the traffic that they have been getting to this, which you can if there are a lot of likes, that means they are putting a lot of money to this ad. So it's obviously working if they are promoting this product, and that means that they are making money. So this is actually, you can just go to ClickBank, search yoga products, you can find this same exact product on ClickBank, and you can just start promoting it. Like you can see, ClickBank trusted and secure. Their same product is on ClickBank, and you can start promoting it. Create a similar ad, target these countries. Then maybe they have affiliate resource tools where they share their targeting, but you can just target yoga and all this stuff, and just start target females and start making some money. It's really that simple. Like these guys are making a lot of money with this product and this ad. So here's another one, 7 mind hacks. So created on January 2020, last seen on February 1. So this might be also good. Like look how much likes they have, like almost 700 comments, over 200 shares. Here's the targeting also: Australia, El Salvador, United States, Aruba, Indonesia. So this is really great, and it's something like it's really this easy. So it's they also have link here, the product, download free meditation. So they're actually collecting leads, and on the back after that they will be probably sent to bridge page, which will sell the product. So here's the final. You're gonna actually see the final or URL here. So here's the product that they're marketing, and this is also a ClickBank product. Like you can see, ClickBank trusted and secure. So yeah, these guys are also making a lot of money. So here's a great ad. The key to shaping the booty. So this is also the Yoga Burns ad. Yeah, you can just go here and search ads that are in your niche. You can target like keywords if you are searching for like let's say like if you're in the dog niche or pet niche, you can just add dog here and here. Like this is so great too. Like this tool is amazing. You can start making money on ClickBank like today. Just make similar type of ad. Just take a photo of a royalty free photo of dog, then just type in Google brain PNG, which means it's transparent background, then just slap the brain on the dog, then just copy red circle PNG, then slap that on that, and then just copy black arrow PNG, like take that, then just take some random thing like hand PNG on Google, then just slap this image together and use the same wording, brain training for dogs, simplified, like use this, you can use this same word they are using, and just make it your give it a little twist, try to make it even better. But again, here's what they are doing. So this ad is sending the customers to this page. Okay, so there's something. So this ad, it has been so this is a old ad. They are not running this anymore, but if you want, you can do the same thing. Like I bet that it's working now. But if this, like a lot of these guys are making, if they are making like $500 with these ads every day, these guys are making so much money that like $500 a day is too low for them. So that's why they paused the ad. A lot of people are making like 5,000, 10,000 a day with these Facebook ads. So that's a big reason that a lot of these big advertisers and super affiliates like are not satisfied with this ad, even though I know that this ad will convert like crazy, because pet niche is also a really good one. So yeah, I was using the free account. So this has like 100 searches you can do for free. So on this tutorial I was using a few of these. I have been using this ad tool a long time, and now it seems that I run out of my points that I need to have in order to make these searches. But it's okay. It's you can have it gives you like 100 free searches, which is enough to find really good ads and just copy them. But anyway, and yeah, if you want to buy it, it's pretty expensive, but this tool is really great. But it's free to use for 100 searches. But yeah, I have been using this tool a lot, and this has skyrocketed my profit margins on my ClickBank promotions on Facebook with Facebook ads. So yeah, I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing and leaving a like if you found this video helpful. And of course, you can leave a comment. I will respond to all my comments. And yeah, thank you. Thanks for your time, and see you in the next video.